Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So guys, in the last video, we saw business administration jobs, and today we see the pros and cons of business administration and 7 benefits of earning a degree in business administration. So, without any delay, let's start this video. What are the advantages of administration? 1. Offers the potential to save the business. When entering administration, the goal of the administrator, typically, is to save the business as a going concern. Only when this is not possible will they default to selling or liquidating the company. Once the company has returned to a point of profitability, be it by terminating defunct contracts or issuing staff redundancies, control will be handed back to the company directors. Alternatively, the company may be entered into a CVA. The administration allows time for this arrangement to be made, whilst also getting the company into a position where it is feasible. 2. Offers a moratorium period. Of all the various corporate insolvency procedures, administration is the only one to provide a moratorium period. A moratorium period offers respite from financial pressure on the company, preventing creditors from taking any legal action to wind up the company or collect debts while it's in effect. This offers the business a valuable opportunity to take stock of its situation and regroup, safe from the threat of closure. Offers a better outcome for creditors. In situations where the business can be saved, creditors can expect to see full repayment of their lendings. In others, where it appears the business is in a state of terminal insolvency, the administrator will seek to get the best possible outcome for creditors, more than what they would receive if the company were to be wound up. Creditor approval isn't needed. Unlike other insolvency procedures, you won't need to gain the formal backing of your creditors to enter into the process. Once you've appointed an administrator, creditors cannot object or take recovery action against the business. This can make administration your strongest option if you wish to save your company, but you cannot get the supporting votes of your creditors. The disadvantages of administration. Administration doesn't guarantee business rescue. While administration can result in the rescue of a business as a going concern, it's important not to forget the other potential outcomes. The business may be liquidated, or it may be sold to another buyer. Administration can be very expensive. Administration is a very involved and intensive procedure for the appointed office holder, so fees can quickly stack up. Some administrations take up to a year in length, incurring costs and fees for their entire duration. As a result, administration is typically sought by larger companies that have more working capital and assets. Pre-pack administrations are also highly expensive, as creditors will need to be assured they're getting the best possible returns on debts owed. This means you'll probably have to buy all company assets back at full market value. Administration can damage your reputation. The process, by law, must be advertised publicly. You must advertise the administration on Companies House, alerting creditors to your financial position. This can make it harder to work with lenders and suppliers in the future. You'll also have to ensure you advertise your administration on all company correspondence. This can negatively impact your brand image with customers and clients. You won't maintain control over the company. While the process does offer a breathing space, you won't be the one taking advantage of it. As soon as the administration is filed in court, you'll surrender control of the company to the appointed administrator. You'll have to place your trust in them to turn things around on your behalf. Investigation into director conduct. Much like liquidators, the administrator must investigate the conduct of the company's directors. This investigation will cover activity from the past 2 years, looking out for any evidence of misfeasance, wrongful trading, or fraudulent trading. These charges can carry heavy penalties. You may be made personally liable for company debts, issued large fines, disqualified from future directorship, or even imprisoned. However, it is rare anything comes from such investigations. Directors who have been honest and forthcoming with company creditors and customers are unlikely to encounter any issues. Employee contracts can be expensive. If you phoenix your company via a pre-pack administration as a means of saving the business, there is some employment legislation you should bear in mind. TUP, Transfer of Undertakings, Protection of Employment. 2006, protects employee rights and their interests during a business sale. This means that any staff who were not made redundant prior to the buyout will have protections allotted to their employment contracts. TUPE states that all undertaken staff must have their pre-existing contract terms met. This can be challenging after an expensive administration. Contracts can be changed on economic, technical, or organizational grounds, but if the justifications are flimsy or insufficient, you could end up on the receiving end of an employment tribunal. 7 benefits of earning a degree in business administration. Benefits of studying business administration are as follows. 1. The market demand. 2. Competitive earning potential. 3. Career flexibility. 4. Job versatility. 5. Networking skills. 6. Leadership skills. And 7. Understanding market operations. That's all for today, guys. Today we saw the pros and cons of business administration. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Also, if you like this video, then like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any doubts, then you can comment. At the last, thank you.